How to integrate iCal with GoHighLevel calendars. So before we get started, you can get a 30-day free trial on GoHighLevel with our link in the description below. So make sure to not forget to check out that as well. So let's just dive into the process. So now iCal is basically from an service provided by Apple. So now in order to integrate the iCloud calendar integration is specifically designed for round robin collective class booking and service calendars. So, two-way event synchronizations are possible with iCloud integration. Event created in HighLevel can sync to iCloud, and event created in iCloud can sync to HighLevel as well. So, now, if you want to simply integrate it, the first thing is the data flow, HighLevel to iCloud. When events are created in HighLevel and synchronized to iCloud, any changes made in HighLevel will be reflected in connected iCloud calendar for the user. Any changes made in iCloud calendar will be reflected in HighLevel calendar in calendar, excluding the event deletion. This ensures that events are created or modified in GHL app is seamlessly pushed to your iCloud calendar and vice versa. If an event is deleted in iCloud calendar, then it is not updated on the HighLevel calendar. This is limitation with iCloud integration. Blocked off slots created in DHL calendar will not be synchronized to iCloud as well. So data flow, iCloud to HighLevel. When events created in iCloud are pushed to HighLevel, any changes made in iCloud calendar will be reflected in GHL calendar. Any changes made in GHL calendar will be reflected to iCloud. For example, if you have created an appointment in iCloud, such as pick John from school, it will also be synced and shown in GHL calendar, and subsequent changes made in iCloud will be mirrored in DHL calendar application. So yeah, the point another is that contact creation from iCloud events to DHL is not supported, which also means that all the events coming from iCloud would be treated as blocked slots and not appointments. So that should be kept in mind as well. Alright, now how to actually connect it. So basically, there are three different steps to connect your iCloud calendar with HighLevel calendar. Is basically click on the settings button from the left navigation panel, select on my profile and go to integrations. You should see option with iCloud calendar to click connect. You will be asked to enter your iCloud email address and your app specific password which you created in step 1, and your iCloud is connected. So these are basically the simple steps to connect. And if you want to configure primary calendar and conflicts, we have some more steps on that, but we can discuss these in later on to our videos. So that's a wrap for this one, and I hope you found this one helpful. If you did so, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and don't forget to check out the link in the description below to try 30 days free trial on GoHighLevel. And yeah, that's pretty much it. See you in the next one.